Janie. What did you get?
There's J for Jane.
She has to come get her toys, her blocks.
I'm tired.
Jane's very tired. She needs a nap.
Look at her. Look at how high this is. Can you get this? Can you get that tower? I'm built you a tower to knock down. You gonna get it? Boom! What about this toy? You like to push that button. Yeah. Button.
Hi.
Push the button.
Say, thanks Uncle Todd for my Christmas gift.
Fun Christmas.
Hi.
Say thank you, Uncle Taddy. He's coming to get you. I'm gonna go get you. Here I come. Where you going? Oh, I got you.
Hey.
That was a funny joke.
Yes.
He said I fell down, but I'm okay. Janie, you can't stand sitting. You got an eyebrow. Push the button. Push this button. Oh, Mommy's got buttons. Yeah. Mommy has buttons on her sweater.
Say, thanks for my Christmas gift.
Thank you for my Christmas, Uncle Toddy. I'm busy.
She's very tired.
Yeah. It's been a very long day.
And hungry, apparently.
No, he's pushing the buttons on my sweater. Silly. Button. Oh, gee, you're silly. I know.
Janie, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
To who? I don't understand.